We're back from Five and Below, and we got a couple things.
So we got smog balls.
Yep, they're sour. We're gonna try them another day.
We have we have boba that we can get home. This one's mine, this one's hers. But we're gonna do that in another video again. And we got slime. We're gonna do that today. These like little eyeballs and like pom-poms that we can put in it because I don't want the slime to be plain.